Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Curious how to make glowing neon text? I'll show you step by step in Canva. Click Create, then choose Custom Size to set your preferred dimensions. Enter text for each standard one by one, ensuring accuracy and consistency according to the required formatting guidelines before proceeding to the next step. Next, add the text by typing neon lights into the text box. Ensure the font and size are set to match your design preferences. Next, change the font size by selecting your preferred option from the font settings. You can choose any font style and size that suits your design needs. Select the Effects panel, then choose the Outline effect. Click to apply it to your layer. Adjust the settings to customize thickness and color, enhancing your design's visibility and style effectively. Duplicate the layer, then click the Effects panel to apply your desired adjustments. Add neon lights by selecting the object, opening the Effects panel, and choosing the Neon Glow option. Adjust brightness, color, and intensity to your preference. Preview the effect, then save your changes to apply the neon lighting. Go to Animate and select the Neon Lights animation. Apply to your object by clicking the Animation option. Adjust the settings as needed to enhance the effect. This will create a vibrant, glowing neon look in your project quickly and easily. Notice the difference. Then click the color option to change and customize your selection easily within the settings menu. To change the color, click the color option and select your preferred shade. This adjustment will update the video's appearance accordingly. Save your changes to apply them. That's how it works. You can also try searching by word or line to find specific content quickly. This makes navigating your document faster and more efficient, helping you locate exactly what you need without any hassle. To use neon animation in Canva, first open your design and select the element you want to animate. Click on the Animate button in the toolbar above. Scroll through the animation options and choose the neon effect. Adjust the speed and direction if available to suit your style. You can apply this effect to text, shapes, or images for a glowing, vibrant look. Preview your animation by clicking the play button. Once satisfied, save or download your design with the neon animation applied for a dynamic visual impact. Now you know how to create neon text animation. In Canva, hit like and subscribe for more design tips.